Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. I will take a look at Tesla stock. I will do a technical analysis review of the stock. I am not a financial advisor. I have been doing technical analysis as a hobby for the past 30 years, and I am sharing my thoughts with you. I am not the best technical analysis guy, and I'm not the worst. So I hope that what you will hear today will help you. So let's take a look at Tesla. So I worked on my channel lines today. So the four gray channel lines are, I think, a good representation of where Tesla is doing. So Tesla is in a big uptrend since last year, since March 17. Big uptrend. But now, in the short term, Tesla is in a downtrend. So we see this red line. So this resistance line is a point which Tesla does not seem to be able to cross. So it touched it on February 8th, it touched it again on February 19th, and it touched it yesterday, March 2nd. And so the Tesla stock cannot break that line. So Tesla is in a shorter term downtrend. So personally, I would not buy Tesla. Buying the dip is nice when the dip has happened and it's over and there's an uptrend that is in play. Buying the dip while a stock is going down, I don't think is a good idea, because who knows if it's going to go up again. So you don't buy a sinking ship. You buy a broken ship that has a lot of holes, and you patch those holes, and then you put it on the water. So there are a lot of people that are doing fundamental analysis, and they see that Tesla is a great stock to buy for the long term. I totally agree with them. Tesla is a great stock to buy in the long term. But if you could have sold at $848 on February 9th and then purchase Tesla back eventually when it's going to go back up, why not do it? This is the most efficient way to make the most money. It's a little bit more work, but you are going to make more money. So work equals money. So anyway, enough preaching. So basically, this is the resistance that Tesla is facing, and the Tesla stock cannot go over that resistance. Yesterday, it touched it, it bounced on it, and then went down. And today, well, Tesla is even down lower than the triangle support line. So this green triangle support line was held since February 23rd. It was respected all of that time, but now, boom, it got crushed. So Tesla is not even respecting that. Where is Tesla going? In my opinion, it's going down. I think that the uptrend the uptrend has not happened yet. I don't know when it's going to happen, but checking the stock every single day, we will be there when it happens. It's not today. So if I take a look also at the stochastic of Tesla, so the stochastic went down to 13%, which is very, very low. The MACD, the two lines of the MACD are still clearly separated, and they crossed negatively in a downtrend on January 26th. So this was the first sell signal for Tesla on January 26th. And now both lines of the MACD are going into the negative. So there's a positive and a negative with a MACD. So the crossing of the lines of the MACD indicate the buy signals and the sell signals, but also the overall trend is indicated by whether or not the MACD is under zero or above zero. So right now, both lines are under zero. So Tesla is not going to start an uptrend anytime soon. Same thing with the directional moving index, still very negative. So what does that leave us for Tesla? Well, Tesla might bounce on this support line here. I'm not too sure about it, or it might go down and get stopped by this support line here. So it's only at one of those 2 points that we are going to be able to say that Tesla starts an uptrend. So Tesla will start an uptrend eventually. It's just a matter of when. So the first sign of the uptrend the first indicator that an uptrend might be coming will be when the Tesla stock starts to bounce on either support lines. So this is going to be the first indication that, okay, maybe the fall has stopped. And then once this resistance red line gets crossed and we see some confirmation with our stochastic MACD and DMI, then we can be confident at that point that the uptrend, that a new uptrend or a continuation of the overall larger uptrend has resumed. But until then, Tesla is in a short-term downtrend, and I would not touch that stock with a 10-foot pole. So that's it for my analysis of Tesla. Please subscribe and comment if you liked what I say, and comment if you don't like what I say. If you disagree with me, it's okay. We are just here to learn from each other, so feel free to use the comment section for that. So thank you very much again, and we'll talk tomorrow.